Hallway ng Seda Hotel. Ayan, maaliwala siya. Yun. So, may view pa rin dito ng Rotonda. Kain na kami ng lunch. So, going down. Guys, bumabagyo ngayon dito. Nakain kami sa may Tators. Dito na yung Tators. Ayan. Manukan and seafood. Mukhang madaming tao. Tators.
Ito na-reconcile nyo na sa task force na. Doon pa lang nila kinuha.
Oo. Tapos ito,
Tators. Manukan and seafood.
Viper yan, no friend.
Ano to? Talaba?
Oyster.
Wala naman.
Oo nga, talabang.
Mamaya isa dessert. Sarap yung chicken. Manyami pagkaon dito. Manyami. Sabaw.
Nilagyan mo yung mga nilagyan mo. No?
Try na rin itong talaba. Talaba ba to?
Ha?
Talaba?
Ano ba?
Try na talaba oh.
Hindi mo sumawag na pa.
Ang yummy. Tatoys. Ito yung kainan nila dito. Ito yung unang nirecommend nung Grab driver na nasakyan namin. Ito guys, bilihan ng pasalubong Bizcocho House sa may SM and sa tapat ng H&M. Nasa third floor to guys. Yaya. Hey guys. So, papakita ko yung room namin. Medyo magulo na. Late na ako nakapag-video. And, ayun na, start na dito sa CR. Shower type yung, yan. And then, nandito yung toilet sa likod ng pinto. May binigay ng mga toothbrush, cotton buds, ganun. Ano ba ba? Sabon, body lotion. Paglabas is itong malaking cabinet na to. May safe box din dito. And may malaking mirror sa likod. Ayan. And then, ito may refrigerator. And meron silang mga yung mga tea, kape, ganyan, baso, kettle, pangpainit at tubig. And then, ito na yung sa may bedroom. Dalawang single bed. Deluxe room yung binigay. And, pwedeng one king size bed dito. Siyempre, may TV dito. And then, may table. And, ito yung view namin. Sa harap namin, may Jollibee. And then, nandito yung Rotonda. And then, doon sa kabilang side dito, may McDo. So, yun lang. See you later. Bye! Hey guys. So,
dapat kasi mag-regular meeting talaga lahat ng
may
stakeholders
try akong
dito sa
local food ng Iloilo. This one is the chicken natto. Ayan, chicken natto. And ito daw yung Iloilo's best chicken inato. Grilling for the Ilonggos since 1993. Ayan. 100 plus to, pagkakatanda ko. And may 2 rice. And then ang in order ko is paa.
summarily reported.
Hindi nyo kita yan.
So yung mga summary reportation,
So,
ganyan,
let's
may mga
try
blacklists na format. Yan.
chicken.
Pero hinihintay pa rin ng executive order para
May
malaman
kasama
kung
siyang,
ano ang
ayan,
kasama at hindi kasama
ano ba
sa
to?
Pogo ban.
Sile.
Lalabas na yan, pero habang wala pa,
May chicken oil din na kasama. And
kalamansi.
kalamansi.
Naman po yun ang lahat ng law enforcement.
Toyo, wala akong nakitang toyo. Kakamay ako para feel natin ang lasa.
Chicken oil.
May chicken oil pero walang toyo.
Ano to, suka?
Suka eh. Parang sukang maanghang.
Minaliit naman ng mga abogado ni Go ang babala ng Justice
Ayan na.
Department na posibleng pati sila
Try
ay balikan
chicken.
kaugnay ng
Sausaw natin sa
pagkakasabi
chicken
o
oil.
affidavit ni Go
And then do
dahil
sa
personal na
sauce
pinanumpaan.
na chili.
Papailan mo ng kaso, lalo na kung sa abogado na ginagawa yung trabaho niya. Kaya wala kang ebidensya, speculations lang. May kasi meron tayo. Pwede din kami mag-file ng kaso sa Congress Park.
Sa pagsusunod
Sarap ni mamanok pa lang, may lasa na.
tugma ang pirma ng pinirmahan niya ang huling pagina bago siya umalis noong July. Siniguro naman ni Attorney Stephen David na pagdating sa korte, magsasasa si Go.
Sa court kasi, hindi pwede sabihin ni
Wala nga lang
Ang bubudol.
sinungaling ka.
Masarap.
Sa Haro Cathedral na kami. Ito yung Candelaria. Bakit kami ng super floor visual? Guys, so dito kami sa may city proper. Dito may Iloilo Museum. Dito yan, dito yung side. Lapit siya sa ano eh, Kapitolyo. Ito yung Kapitolyo, nasa likod na. Ito na yung Museum Iloilo. Pasok kami dito. May mga arts.
O, isa-isa magsusulat ba? Okay, one lang. Ano siya?
Ito mo. Yung mga arts dito, guys. Ito. Ay, galing. Oil siya. Oil ba? Oil. Mga presyo siya. Ayan. Ito, mixed media on canvas. Ay, siya ba gumawa? Ay, siya nga gumawa. The Colors of My Mind. Okay. Siya yung nag-paint. Ito ang ganda rin. Ay, ito ang ganda. Diba? Isang buo siya. Oh.
Siya din yung si Mokana din ang nag-compose nito. Ito din ang ganda. Ito ang ganda. Ay, may nag-anta. Decor pala.
And the Forbes Bridge, that bridge that connects La Paz Arrow to the city proper. This is how it looks before. Here are the remnants of the Second World War. Itong naiwan ng mga Second World War noon. During the liberation time, when the Americans know that there were still Japanese soldiers in a place, they dropped bomb to that place. But Iloilo City was never been bombed, never been damaged, never been destroyed during the Second World War. Why? During the Japanese occupation, our governor, Dr. Fermin Karam Sr., he wrote a message on the ground using the lime powder in white, apob, kilala niyo apob, saying that there were no jobs in the city. So the pilot was able to read the message. He waved his hands. After 15 minutes, he came back and dropped that message. Can you read it loud, please? Okay, we got your message and hold headquarters. Signed, the Navy. Wanted to be circulated here in Iloilo in 1942. Yet the Ilonggos didn't recognize the money because to them these were Mickey Mouse money or play money which has no value at all. Yet the money were able to be used and circulated especially on the hands of the rich Ilonggo families. But after the Second World War, they gathered them again, bundled them, and donate them here in the museum. But still there were bills that were never been used, never been circulated, still bundled, still intact. They were here donated by the Central Bank. We also soldiers who fought against the Spaniards and the Americans. The military uniform worn here by Captain Epifanio Concepcion was donated by his family here, and here's exactly the uniform he is wearing in this picture. And the swords of General Perfecto Poblador was also donated by his family here, and here are their pictures. When we were given our independence by Spain, when was that? And the jars are buried on the ground or placed in the caves. That jars are already of Chinese influence, and the smaller jars are for food storage for vinegar, tuba, and bagoong. This this was never been reached by the Chinese traders before, so no porcelains, no work found, only potteries made of local materials, clay, and leaves were used for cooking and clay pots. Some pots of Chinese plates decorated with a dragon, rose flower, and a turtle, intended for the father, for the mother, and for the child. These plates were used by leaders only. The bigger plate by the male leader and the smaller plate by the female leader. Simply shows that the male were stronger than the female before, not now. Accessories. These are the things that they use in their everyday living. They have to pound palay before they get rice. They also have musical instruments, and they eat halu.
Lato.
Panglepo lang yun.
Ano kaya maganda yung halo dito?
Wala na, ikaw.
Lahat yan?
Ano to? Baked scallop?
Thanks.
Baked scallop. Let's try.
Ay, ganun, di pala yan.
Kailangan ng lakas. Sarap.
Sarap nila po.
Lato-lato. Nilagyan niyo ng ano? Okay.
Ano ba to?
Dapat nilalagyan ng suka. Yan.